guys, welcome to Tech Press with yet another video. So in this video I'm going to unbox a new product. Yep, so this is yet another unbox video. So I've been actually talking about this product for a while with you on my stream, on my Asphalt 9 stream. I had actually promised you about something called Logitech G29 wheel plus shifter. Yeah, so I wanted to play some sim racing games. So my Forza Horizon 4 NFS Heat, but NFS Heat actually didn't support wheel, but they actually promised it will be supported in the coming months, but I didn't actually look into it. Maybe yeah, it will be supporting the wheel as well. So let's see what happens. Anyway, here I'm going to unbox Logitech G29. I went through lots of reviews and unboxing videos before I decided to buy Logitech G29. So compared to some other wheels available in the market, Logitech G29 has pretty decent reviews and feedbacks. That's why I decided to go for Logitech G29. It's relatively cheaper as well, and you get both wheel and the shifter. You don't have to. And I actually got it as a combo kit. I mean, it was like now it actually costs you around 375 right now. But when I bought it, it was around $315. Yep, I got it for $315. So I think now there is a shortage in the market. Maybe that's the reason the price is a bit high right now. Maybe because of this corona and stuff, it's going on in the world. So maybe that's the reason. So anyway, so let's see what's inside the box. Okay, I'm super excited because it's been sitting in my room for a month. I didn't have enough time to unbox it or even test it. So according to Amazon return policy, if anything happens with the product we purchased from the site, we need to return it within 10 days or something. But now it's been already over a month. Yeah, I could if anything goes wrong with the product, I could actually claim warranty, but yeah, I won't be able to return the product. But anyway, I have got the product. Yep. So I'll be testing this wheel with several games, like including Forza Horizon 4, NFS Heat. I haven't yet downloaded NFS Heat, but I'll be trying the wheel with NFS Heat as well if it supports. I'm not sure if it supports right now, but we'll see that. And Dirt 2.0. I've downloaded Dirt 2.0 a month ago, but I didn't actually play the game that much because I didn't have the wheel then. I tried it with the keyboard, but I didn't want to stream it without the wheel. So it's been there on my PC, but I didn't try it. Now recently there was an update, so it's of 20 gigabytes in size, but I didn't update it. But yeah, once I get this product set to use with these games, I'm gonna play Dirt 2.0 as well, and I'll be streaming and Forza Horizon 4 and some other racing games as well. We'll see what happens. So guys, let's see what's inside the box. So yep. So first we are unboxing driving force shifter that can be bought separately and can be paired with G29 or G920 driving force racing wheel. I must admit the fact that this is not the best shifter available in the market, but for the price, it does the job. So the product itself actually looks pretty sturdy despite being made of plastic and some steel and leather material. It features 6 speeds and a push-down reverse gear. It has also got a Logitech logo, and it can be mounted on your computer table or on your racing rig. The driving force shifter is actually compatible with PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC. Unfortunately, it doesn't support PlayStation 3. So, okay, up next is the bigger chunk of the product. Let's see what's inside the box. So here what we have is a manual and a player and the power cord. And yep, the main part, that's the pedals and the wheel. When it comes to pedal boards and rising wheel, there are several options available in the market, including Pressmaster and some other ones as well. But when it comes to pedal boards, Logitech Dreamforce actually offers one of the best pedal boards available in the market. The board itself actually feels sturdy and stable and long lasting despite being made of plastic. But three pedals are made of solid metal and looks pretty decent. And as you press the pedals, each of them has different tension styling. So it feels like you're using pedals in a car. It should give you a real life experience. The pedal board also feels heavy enough that it shouldn't slip off of your floor, needing less securing. Unfortunately, you can't buy this pedal board as a standalone product if you're looking for a pedal board like Logitech Dreamforce pedal board. Finally, that comes down to the rising wheel itself. Logitech G29 is actually a force feedback rising wheel that uses dual motor system instead of bell system that's seen on Pressmaster T300 RS and its other models. The wheel itself is largely made of metal with a leather finish that actually gives it a premium look. And the wheel also features several buttons that actually look like a PlayStation 4 controller, which lets you easily access some of the features of the game you play. There are a total of three ports, two for the pedal and the shifter, one for the adapter, and it uses a USB cable to connect to the PC. With the adjustable clamp extender, you can easily mount the wheel on your computer desk. For gear shifting, it uses a racing style paddles made of metal. It has that clicky feeling. And if you're on a tight budget, you're good to go with this paddle shifter and you don't need to go for a separate shifter. Unlike its counterpart Trustmaster or Fanatec, Logitech G29 Dreamforce actually uses dual motor system. That may be the downside of this racing wheel, but if you're looking for something smoother, maybe this is not the wheel you should be considering, and you should be going for something like Trustmaster T300 RS or some other brands that actually utilizes bell system instead of dual motor system. But for the price, Logitech G29 does offer an awesome experience. It does give you the feel of driving a car in real life as you play the game. Dreamforce G29 is actually one of the few models that actually support PS4, and it also supports PS3 and PC. So that's it, guys. Finally, we unboxed the product and we just need to test it. So I will be streaming all sorts of racing games from now on. Yeah, I'm kind of busy, but I will still try to stream like Dirt 2.0, Forza Horizon, and NFS Heat. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and also share the video.